What's happening?
What's happening? We're here at Apple Orchard.
What's happening at Apple Orchard?
Look at the board.
Underway for starting our event. We've already got a lot of people. And the way that today's session is going to work is we're going to start with a little bit of a story from Nathaniel. He's going to tell us all.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Nathaniel, and I'm a lettering artist and top lettering artist based here in Singapore. So this is what goes through in the minds of lettering artists all the time. When we see logos outside, when we see different, even book covers or magazine covers, we scrutinize.
So that's it. That's the Apple Talk. I still can't believe that happened. Oh my god, I'm so mind blown. I really want to thank everyone who made it happen, from the Apple team, Erica, Larison, and team, to my Scribblers family, to my friends, everyone who supported me on the day, before, during, and after the event. It was a blast. It really meant a lot to me. So thank you, everyone. 2018 has been really kind to me. I've never expected a lot of things that happened this year, but I'm really grateful and I'm really glad that I finally made a step, and I think it's a step in the right direction. And next year is the year of video, so as you can probably tell, I'm trying to make myself more comfortable on camera, and I've tried to show my face now more often. And if you have anything you want to learn at all about lettering or about what I do, feel free to write down in the comments, and I will get back to you, and hopefully next year that will be a new video in itself. So alright, see ya!